Today is all about Baby Yoda, aka GROGU. We are going to make a super simple, but also such a cute Baby Yoda cake. Welcome back to Shelley's Bakes Cakes. I've got Baby Yoda here with me. My Baby Yoda shirt. Yes, I know his name's really GROGU, but we're gonna call him Baby Yoda because that's what he's known here at my house. All right, we're gonna make this cute Baby Yoda cake today. It's kind of like my bunny cakes I've made and a unicorn cake. So I made it a little bit more simple so you guys at home can try it too. To start out, we just need some fondant, and you can either make your own fondant or you can buy some fondant at the store. And I just dyed it green because we have to make his ears. To make Baby Yoda's ears, they need to be able to stand up, because he's got some really big ears, guys. Some really big ears, and they stick out sideways, not straight up. To start out making these ears, they're just wooden fondue sticks. You can also use some candy sticks. I know they have white ones. You can use those as well. It just needs to be something sturdy that will hold up these ears. Now we're gonna roll out this green fondant. We wanna keep it fairly thick. You can see as I'm rolling it out, I'm keeping it thicker. I'll tell you why here in a moment. And now we're gonna cut it out with my little tear-shaped cookie cutter. We're gonna cut 2 out because he has 2 ears. And then we'll just get my rolling pin and we're gonna roll it out so it kind of flattens out, and you can see it's kind of shaping into an ear. And now we have the start of Baby Yoda's ears. After we have these rolled out, you can just kind of move with your hand, kind of just adjust it so that, you know, push it into ears, however the shape you guys want here. And now we are going to get our little fondue stick and we're going to place them on the stick. You can see I'm just gonna set them right on. I'm gonna push it down. We're just gonna set them there for just a minute. Now we need to make the inside of Baby Yoda's ear. So I just have some brown fondant. It's more like tan fondant. And we're gonna do the same exact thing. I just have a smaller teardrop cookie cutter and we're gonna cut it out again. Make sure it's thicker, not thinner. Now comes the fun part. So we have our ears, now we're gonna turn them around, and you can see they're stuck on my little skewers. And we're gonna push the skewer into that ear. You can see I'm just gonna push it right into this ear. So yes, it makes a dent and it pushes right in there. That's why we made it a little bit thicker so that we can push it right into that fondant. And now we're gonna set the inside of the ear right on top of the green. And then it will sit there and it'll adhere to the stick. So after a few days, you need to make these ears a couple of days to a week ahead so they'll be able to stand up on their own. Set them aside, and we need to make Baby Yoda's eyes. All we're doing here is just cutting out some black fondant into a circle, and then we need some white circles just to show a little bit of dimension in his eye. And I'm just gonna cut out some little white circles with one of my little tips, turn the tip upside down, and cut out some circles. For the tiniest circles, I'm using just the inside of a really tiny tip, and then I just kind of push it out with one of my little toothpicks. And there we have it. We'll stick the eyes however you want them to be, stick the little white onto your black, and there you have it. We have Baby Yoda's eyes. Now we're just gonna make some little hands. I'm kind of doing it like a unicorn and a bunny cake, so we're not gonna make any arms or anything crazy. It's just kind of the unicorn style cake. So all I'm gonna do here is just roll this green fondant into a ball, and then you can see I just have my knife and I just cut some little slits in it to kind of make his little hands. And there you have it, guys. We are ready to build this Baby Yoda cake. You can see I usually make 2 sizes of the ears when I'm making bunny cakes, when I'm making unicorns. I like to have 2 different sizes of the eyes and the ears just because I never know quite how it's gonna go on the cake and I wanna have options. So you don't have to do this stuff. This is just me being a little bit crazy. All right, now you can see I just got my green cake. We just frosted it nice and green. So we're ready to make Baby Yoda, GROGU. I do know his name is GROGU, but like I said, you know, Baby Yoda is what he's called here. My 8-year-old, he loves him. All right, now to start building this cake, we have to make Baby Yoda's, you know, around Baby Yoda. He's got like a little coat on. So we are gonna kind of give him a little jacket, coat, if you will. And we're just gonna do it a simple way. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I just want it to look kind of Baby Yoda-ish, but like I said, it's gonna be more simple. So I have some brown buttercream, and we are just going to spread the brown buttercream around the sides of this cake. It's just gonna cover about 1/4 of the cake. So just put some buttercream around the bottom of your cake, kind of just spread it carefully around, and we're gonna add some texture, adding his little coat. Make sure that, like I said, you have a thicker layer because you don't want the top of your cake cone to snag that pretty smooth green frosting you have at the top. So now we're just gonna start pulling it around, and you're gonna see the texture start forming at the bottom of this cake. as when we are frosting a normal cake. It will leave a little bit of holes because that's what happens when you're frosting. You get more buttercream and cover it up and just keep on swiping until it looks nice and smooth or until it's the texture that you guys want. Now that we have his cute little coat, it's time to put on his eyes. All right, all I'm gonna do, you guys, is stick them right onto that buttercream. Stick those eyes right on there. It doesn't have to be any special way, just stick them on. You can see I'm putting them on right now, and then I'm gonna change them in a minute because I don't like the way that they are. So I kind of change it to look like his eyes on my shirt, where they're both like facing the same way. So you'll see in a minute the eyes change. Don't worry about it, I did do that on purpose. Okay, now we are going to add the ears. You can see my ears are standing up on their own. This is essential. You cannot put them in there unless they are hard and ready to stand up on their own. Let's put his ears in, right into the side. I'm just gonna stick it slowly right into the side. And now we'll put the next ear in, nice and slow. Baby Yoda is coming together. I meant to make his ears fairly big because it's, you know, he has fairly big ears. He's looking so cute. Now for the finishing touches. We are just gonna add the cute little hands right in the front. And now I'm just gonna do a little bit of buttercream, and all I did is just added a few little wrinkles, and I gave him a little smile and a little nose. What do you think? Do you think he looks Baby Yoda-ish? GROGU? Hopefully my 8-year-old will be proud of this cute little Baby Yoda cake. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalice Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.